So we have to find out the value of alpha. When we will integrate from alpha to alpha plus 1, integration of this thing, we will get result as ln 9 by 8. Okay, so you have to find out the value of a. Let's proceed. So if you'll observe, you have a plus 1. Now look at the denominator. Denominator is written in the form of product, correct? So if denominator is written in the form of product, you know that these kind of situations we used to convert it into something minus something, है ना? So what we used to do? Big minus small. So let's check whether we are going in correct direction or not. So big minus small. So if we will write this thing, do you think it will create any problem to the numerator? No, because if you'll simplify the numerator, you will be getting 1 in place of numerator, which was 1. So it is totally fine. है ना? Now we can break down this question into two questions, and we will be getting dx by x plus a minus dx by x plus a plus 1. Now if you will integrate, you will be getting log x plus a minus log x plus a plus 1, and then put the limit a plus 1, and we got this as the result, but according to them result is log 9 by 8. Let's manipulate things. So can I write that this is log m minus log n? So we can write things as log m by n, and or we can let's write down the value, that would become more convenient. So it is log x plus a upon x plus a plus 1, है ना, with the limit a and a plus 1. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Log 9 by 8. Now let's substitute the limits. So we will have we will place the upper limit first. So a plus 1. So a plus 1 upon a plus 1 plus a plus 1 minus lower limit log a plus a upon a plus a plus 1. So we put upper limit and the lower limit log 9 by 8. Now let's break, means we used to do this thing na, put upper limit minus lower limit, hai na? So we did the same thing. Now again log m minus n. So can I write log m by n? So it is log, look at this, 2a plus 1, 2a plus 2 divided by 2a upon 2a plus 1. Here also we have log 9 by 8. Can I remove this log and log from both sides? Because it is equality, so argument must be the same. So it is 2a plus 1. We will take 2 common. We will be left with a plus 1 multiply by 2a plus 1. Let's see whether we are getting any common thing or not. And then 2a equals 9 by 8. We are not getting anything. Okay. So can I multiply both sides by 4? So this thing gone. This thing is 2. Now let's do the cross multiplication thing. So it is 4a square plus 2a plus 2a plus 1 multiplied by 2, and then 9 times a square plus a. है ना? We have to simplify things. We have no other choice. So we got 8a square. This is 4a. So it will become 8a plus 2 equals 9a square plus 9a. Now send everything on one side. So 8a square will go that side. It will become 9a square minus 8a square, which is a square. 8a square will go that side. So 9a minus, sorry, 8a will go that side, 9a minus 8a is a. Now 2 will go that side, it will become minus 2. Let's do the factorization part. So a square plus 2a minus 2 equals to 0. So we will take a common from the first component, minus 1 common from the second component, and we will be left with a plus 2. So we got value of a as 1 and minus 2. I hope you got the approach and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.